Alright guys, well good morning to everybody. I'm going to start this off with the change channel because I want to watch something else. We're going to clean the filter and the dynamite, and then I'm going to take the multi-surface out to vacuum off the deck because it's all full of junk and stuff. So let me get to vacuuming the deck with the multi-surface, and then I will get to cleaning off the filter and the dynamite. So yeah. Unfortunately, guys, Walmart did not have the filter that was needed. Leave it to frickin' Walmart to screw it up. You know, things aren't like they used to be, and you could just walk into a Walmart and they would have an F2 filter on the shelf. No. Things are much different. Alright, guys, let me go ahead here and get this outside so I can clean off the deck and get it done. And take care of my outside squirrel Charlie, my pet. Since I can't have indoor dogs or cats, so. But guys, I don't mind it because I don't miss the vet costs. And you guys are probably thinking, how could Snoopy say that? Well, because when you guys have pets, even a dog or a cat, you gotta be ready for those expenses to come up. But they are the greatest companion you can possibly get. Let me go ahead and grab this light here, turn this off. My two guppies, like Charlie Brown and Patty, they're great. I've always been a huge fan of aquatics ever since I was a kid. So let me go ahead and get out here and clean up the deck. So you guys are gonna get a nice early morning video. It is officially 7:20, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and head out the door to vacuum off the deck. So give me a minute. And yes, guys, I'm gonna have to clean this off because it's all dirty. See, I don't want to make the neighbors angry. The girl down below me, she's really quiet, so I think she's just extremely bashful, which most girls can be. I know she works a job somewhere, but whereabouts? Crap, hang on a minute, guys. I gotta put your face in my mug for a minute. Yeah, 1 second, guys. I gotta plug this in. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Got it. Alright, guys. Here we go. We're gonna get this clean now. Here we go. What was that all about? In a second, guys. Must have tripped the fuse or something. I don't know what I did. Let me see here, guys. I don't know if I burnt out my vacuum or it just happened. It wouldn't start. Uh-oh. Let's see, guys. The vacuum like barely turned on, so we're starting off to a bad start, guys. Let's see here. Alright, guys, I don't know what's going on with this damn outlet, but they pushed the wrong one in. Nope. Guys, I might have blown up the dirt devil. Not knowing it. Hang on a minute, guys. We seem to be having technical difficulties here at the start of the video, so just bear with me. Maybe that was the problem all along, I don't know. Nope. Alright guys, we're outlet number 2, and that should probably fit. Dang. This has happened before, so. Or vacuum is no good, I don't know guys. Alright guys, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on now, guys. Guys, I do not. What I do know for sure is, excuse my language for a minute, I'm fucked. That's basically it. And all that much on it. I don't know why it's not working. Why it's not giving me any juice. Yes. Alright guys, we're going to have to do things the hard way on, I guess, obviously. Let me go and put this into the kitchen plug. And I will get you guys a better setup, I think. Alright guys. I'm going to have to talk to my landlord about the outlet outside. It's not working. Try to vacuum off my deck and it's not doing nothing. I don't know how that would happen, but... Alright guys, let's see. Hopefully it will start up now when I plug this in. Alright guys, let's try this again outside and on the outlet because it should be working. Alright guys, we did resurface the outside outlet. It has some issues going on with it because it wasn't giving me no juice. So let's try. There you go. There we go guys. Remember a boring start to my day. That was all about with that. That was all about with Scoopy, guys. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys won't be too upset with my plans for the next dirt dog vacuum I'm going to get. I was looking at Walmart, well, and it's laughable, it really is. The everyday low priced Power Express is not so low priced. It's $57. So yeah, I might jump on the bandwagon and grab one of those. Right now I'm going to go back inside. Fucker. Excuse my language, guys. Snoopy's not purposely trying to swear. And she's got the cord stuck on the vacuum cleaner. Alright, you guys, well, and you have LRS out doing their route with their old prairie land trucks. So yeah, you have the nice part of that to look at. We're gonna go inside where it's more quiet so you guys can hear better. So let's get inside the house. Ooh, excuse me. Also, guys, so here I have two plans. I have to examine my options here with the Featherlight and between the Jaguar. Would you guys rather me so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that, because this might remedy the situation. There's one or two options for to fix that vacuum, and that's one is I tape the lower main hose on and you can never use any attachments on it again. Or option A and B would be, so here's what I would do. Okay, this is going to be kind of dumb, might be upsetting to most. So we have this vacuum here, which I don't even think comes apart. So let's see. Because if you look at this, guys, the cord handle's all messed up on it. And I don't think I can just, or can I? I don't think I can do that either. Option one is probably not going to be, hold on a minute, let me take this hose off here. Option A, if it works, great. Option B, oh well, if I can't. I guess it could work. I'm just stuck with a broken dirt devil, guys. So guys, if you look at the bottom of this plastic is really gone. It's really tore up down here. So, like I said, I have not really any options for this. So, the Jaguar has gotten really loud, so I haven't run it for that reason. But what I could do is I could take that and give it back to Brad, or I think I'm just gonna probably just keep the Featherlight because it's more quieter than the Jaguar. Jaguar, I think I'm just gonna take parts off and keep what I need off of it. So now we're gonna do the filter cleaning. It needs to be done. Rather being, I know it's 7:30 in the freaking morning. You're probably saying, Snoopy, why are you doing all the ruckus work? Well, not trying to. I have to clean off this filter because I don't have another F2 yet. So I have to keep things. Good, nice and clean, like, so that works better. Performance is a must because when you're sucking up dirt off the floor, you have to keep things clean. And guys, this is a great little vacuum. I mean, there's no two ways about this one. Alright guys, you get the face of my bug. You're not going to miss anything, I guarantee you that, I promise. Because you're going to hear me sucking off the filter, vacuuming off the filter, and that's it. Not this again. Hang on 1 second, guys. Alright guys, that's clean. So, also, guys, I think Snoopy's gonna do something nice for his friend too. He always hangs out with me, always takes the time to joke around with me and have a fun time. I think I'm going to, guys, I think I'm gonna surprise him. Basically just get him in there 2 minutes tire at the bike shop. And say, hey, let's go have some lunch, you know, like, let's go eat some lunch, your bike's getting fixed, you know, like, you know, alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video and I'm going to start another one. Give me 1 minute.